Page 85, this is a review, things we've handled, because we've been talking a lot about key signatures with sharps. This is sort of an idea. Do you remember any of this stuff? As far as I'm concerned, they're doing it the hard way. I think it's much easier and better if you simply learn the scales, and you can associate the number of sharps in the key signature by the scale. So you just know that D major has 2 sharps in it because you've learned the scale and you know what the black keys are. To me, that's a much easier way than trying to do what they're doing. However, they're doing this, so let's go over it. At the top of the page, they want you to write the order of sharps 2 times in the staff below. In other words, you're going to take that first measure and copy it in the other 2 measures. Have fun with that. Yuck. Under that, in the middle of the page, they want you to identify a sharp, a major sharp key. Major sharp, what? No, it's a major key that has a sharp in the key signature, is what they're talking about. There's no such thing as a major sharp itself. So it's like the last sharp in the key signature, you go up a half step, that tells you the key. So if it's an F sharp, that first one they show you, it's an F sharp, well, you go up a half step here, and that tells you the key. It's the key of G major. They all work the same way. If you have any questions, let me know. That second example they're giving you with all those sharps down there, that last sharp, this bass clef, that last sharp is on the E line, so it's an E sharp, which is here. If you go up a half step from the E sharp, you get an F sharp. So you're in the key of F sharp major. It's got all those sharps in it. Got what, 6 sharps? You just learn the scale, you don't have to worry about it. But you don't have to worry about that scale for a while. And then at the bottom of the page, they want you to identify the keys with the key signatures. So they show D major is 2 sharps, that first measure, 2 sharps. And next one, number 2, is 4 sharps. Well, the last sharp is a D sharp here. If you go up a half step, it's an E major. So it's an E major. The next one has no sharps or flats in it. You just know that's C major. C major. Period. Number 4 is 1 sharp. That's an F sharp. You go up a half step, it's a G. You're in G major. Number 5, the last sharp is a G sharp. You go up a half step, it's an A. You're an A major. Number 6, bass clef. The last one is an E. We did this already. It's an E sharp. Go up a half step, that's an F sharp. You're an F sharp major. Number 7, the last sharp is an A sharp. Go up a half step, you're in B, so you're in B major. Number 8 is 1 sharp, again, the same as number 4. It's G major. You just eventually, 1 sharp is G major. Just okay. Number 9, you got a million sharps. The last one is a B sharp, which is here. So you go up a half step, and that is a C sharp. So this is C sharp major. Number 10, the last sharp is a D sharp. You go up a half step, so that would be E major. Let me know if you have any questions.